Sponsored by Suzuki Repower and Mastery Engine Center with a Suzuki engine today. Repower for a 200 outboard, valued just under $20,000. A second time offender in the single outboard engine as a winner. We have Team Rayleigh Ann with 42.87 pound Kingfish. It's all right. Take your time, bro. You know, you got one of these already, right?
Yeah.
When was that?
Number 2.
Number 2. When did you win it last?
Year and a half ago.
Year and a half ago. Fall event or spring? Fall. All right. You got second place the year before that.
Congratulations, guys. Good job, good job.
It's the best thing I ever bought for $14,000, and it's still running till this day without an issue.
Yeah.
Unsolicited, right there.
Good job, good job. Congratulations.